I'm happy because I never expected it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my 40 experience. I'm Ife and today I am just about done with this heat at nighttime. So if you are new here or if you are returning and you haven't subscribed yet, I'm gonna give you an opportunity to make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna take a couple seconds. I believe the subscribe button's down here. So today's video is literally gonna be about the sun damage that happens to our hair. It's the heat damage that we forget about. Did you know that the sun can make your hair dry, brittle, and increase breakage? Sun damage can also change the color of your hair, especially if it's colored already or bleached. So watch out for that for people that love to color their hair. And lastly, did you know that not taking care of your hair when it's hot and like getting excessive direct sunlight can cause long-term permanent damage? I didn't know either. Basically, my hair's been out. My hair's been receiving the sunshine because I've always said my hair flourishes in the sun, not 30-degree sun, clearly. Over the last couple of weeks, especially as it's been warmer, I've been noticing a lot more posts on like social media about heat damage from the sun. And I've started to think, is this what I'm experiencing right now? So I saw a blog from Afrocentrics. I'll put the link in the description so you can have a read because it was really informative. So usually my hair kind of looks like a mini afro like this when I don't go ahead and stretch it and detangle it, when I maybe do a wash and go or a twist out and it's been a couple of days and I just left the twist out to become a mini afro and then it shrinks back down like this. But usually when that happens, my hair is moisturized. And then the sunshine came and I thought, oh, amazing. There was not enough moisture I could add. I could moisturize my hair at 12 p.m. By 6 p.m. it was dry. And I just want to take a moment to see if you can hear just how dry it is. My hair is in much need of restoration. So we're going into emergency CPR. Critical product restoration. I just made that up myself. And that's where Indian Healing Clay Aztec Secret is coming in. This is what I'll be using. It's basically bentonite clay. I've heard of this since the beginning of my natural hair journey and I've never tried it and I've always wanted to, so I'm quite looking forward to seeing what this is like for the first time. Okay, so to make the mask, I used the Aztec Secrets, obviously, apple cider vinegar, water, a non-metal mixing bowl, and an applicator brush to mix it all together. Following the instructions, I started off using 4 parts of each thing. So 4 scoops of clay, 4 apple cider vinegar, and 4 scoops of water. It takes some mixing before you get a smooth consistency, and what I realized is that I needed to add more clay because it was too runny, so I ended up with a ratio of 5:4. I'm going to kind of speed through this bit because I'm just applying it, but because my hair is extremely detangled, extremely dry, and at risk of breaking more than usual, I am going to literally apply the mask with my fingers. I'm not going to use a comb or brush. I'm going to finger detangle the entire way because I want to minimize as much breakage as possible. And then I'm going to set it for 30 minutes. What it look? Let me show you the back. So the back is kind of hard. I've all kind of merged it together. As you can see, I completely saturated my hair with this mask. It took me about 2 hours to get every single strand, and I used about 3.5 mixtures of the clay. I am coming to you straight out of the shower to show you. I haven't put anything on my hair to wring it from the water, so I'm literally dripping with water right now. I needed to do this because I need to show you just how speechless I am. Like, definition, hello, what? I didn't even know my hair looked like this. Let me come closer. I haven't even moisturized my skin. My face is looking hella dry just to tell you to take in. Nah, you need to try Aztec clay. I'll put the link below where you can get it on Amazon. I'm upset that I didn't try it sooner, but 100% you need to try it. I'm back and I have literally like t-shirt dried my hair, and the definition is still very much there, especially like towards the roots. My hair is nice and fluffy. I've never seen this kind of movement before with no product in my hair. There's absolutely nothing in my hair and there's this kind of movement. I'm like, look, me? Did I know my hair could do that? No, I didn't. Also, I'm going to be using Innocent Hair Care leave-in conditioner and moisturizing sealant pomade. It's a Black British brand, so make sure you check them out. I really do quite like this leave-in conditioner. As you can see, I have used quite a bit of it. And the reason I'm using this is because I'm feeling quite lazy and I can't bother to do the whole LCO method. So this is my shortcut because the sealant kind of has moisturizing elements and it's also heavy enough to kind of lock in the moisture. So 2 birds, 1 stone. Right, so we need to protect our hair from direct sun, and there's many ways we can do that. We can do it through protective styling, you know, braids, cornrows, wigs. You also need to remember to protect your ends because, you know, your ends are the weakest and oldest part of your hair. So you want to make sure that that part is really tucked away. You can also use things like headwear, caps, hats, you know, head scarves, whatever's your style you can use. And also, where is it? I got this cap from a brand called Black Sunrise. Let me go find it for you. I have this cap from Black Sunrise and it's a nice baseball cap, but it's a half cap and it's satin lined. It's great, right? I'll put the link in the description. And it's another Black owned business, of course. Black British owned business. And lastly, the most important thing of all of these things, you must moisturize your hair. I realized I would have to moisturize my hair probably daily. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Have you tried Aztec clay before? What were your thoughts? Did you have the same experience I did or was it completely different? Let me know. I'll catch you next week Sunday. Take care, God bless.